Aries, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. If this reading is not for you, pwede nyong panoorin ang inyong moon and rising placements kasi minsan, mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Aries, maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are your energies for Aries people. Aries. Okay. We have the duality. Do not forget about the dual nature of people. Don't lose your vigilance. Duality. Ingat sa mga two-faced people. Pagkaharap mo okay, pag nakatalikod na, iba na ang sinasabi sa inyo. Beware sa mga taong hindi totoo. Okay? Dalawa ang personalidad. Power. You have the power to take control of your life, career, and finances. Focus on your needs. So, you have the power, Aries. Meron kayong kakayahan to manage and control your life, yung trabaho ninyo, yung finances. You know what to do. You know what you're doing. You know your direction. Okay? You know what you want. Focus on your needs. Expression. Open up your heart and connect with others. Express your creative self. Expression. So you need to communicate or connect with other people as well. Express who you are. Be creative. Yung iba sa inyo kailangan ng makeover kasi puro na lang career or trabaho. Okay? Nakafocus sa work. Your heart is not opening up. You're not open to relationship. You are not welcoming new people, okay, to enter your life, Aries. But be careful sa mga taong mapaglinlang. Okay. Minsan, mas kailangan natin magtiwala sa sarili. Okay? Mas kailangan yun kaysa magtiwala sa ibang tao. Follow your gut feeling or your intuition, Aries. Okay? Let us see what are the messages from the tarot. Yung iba sa inyo, maganda yung role sa trabaho. You are a leader. May importante kayong role. Nasa management. Okay? You are involved in a creative project. Or maybe in marketing or advertising, you have to express your creativity. Aries, this for Aries. Messages for Aries. Okay. You are going towards your goal. You are going to reach your ambition, okay, Aries? Meron kayong project or meron kayong napupusuan na gawin, maybe a business. You are very ambitious. You want to start a new business. You want to be on your own. Okay. Ingat sa mga tao. Ang pagtatraidor, pagiging dishonest sa inyo, maybe a family member. Maybe an ex will come back to you and again will betray you, Aries. Maybe you will receive a communication or a text message from someone in the past, someone in your past, okay? Be kind, okay? And generous to your family or family members. Someone needs your help and support financially. Okay? You're getting what you wish for. Okay? Or maybe some of you are healing from a deceptive behavior, betrayal, or dishonesty ng isang person. Yung iba sa inyo magta-travel, okay? Nagpa-plan to travel abroad, okay? Vacation, a tour. For Aries. Okay. Meron kayong pagdidesisyonan sa buhay. Okay? Is this in a relationship, love relationship? You are in a good health. A new opportunity or a commitment will be offered to you. Pinag-iisipan ninyo, Aries. Yeah. You will be completing a cycle in your life. Okay. Maybe singlehood is finished and now you're going to make a decision to get married. You're looking forward to it. Yes. Pinag-iisipan nyo na mag-settle down, magbuo ng sarili ninyong pamilya. May nag-o-offer sa inyo ng commitment, kasal. Okay. Some of you will be traveling, okay? International, Aries. You are looking forward for a better future. You have to overcome your fears. Be positive, okay? Merong expansion na mangyayari sa inyo, okay? That will bring joy and contentment in your family. Expansion, marriage. Okay? Baka yung iba sa inyo ikakasal na. Yes. Merong calling. May new direction kayo. May new direction na mangyayari sa inyo, Aries. Okay? There is a wake up call. Na kailangan na may kailangang pagbabago na mangyari sa life ninyo. Okay? Merong offer of love. Offer to have a family with you. Maganda ang katayuan ninyo sa pamilya or sa buhay. Yung mga material needs and emotional needs and trust nandiyan. Nakakamit. Okay? I can say marangya yung life ninyo. Okay? Legacy. Merong dalawang tao nagmamahalan and now ready to have their own family and build a family, build a house where everybody is there. Financially, everything is okay. Yeah, someone is really pursuing you here and wanted a commitment with you. Okay. Careful not to trick yourself, Aries. Baka meron kayong iniiwasan. Kailangan mo na ngayon i-prioritize yung sarili mo, sarili mong buhay. Karoon ka ng sarili mong family if you're not married yet. Yeah, but still, yung responsibility mo sa family mo, nandyan pa din. Hindi mo naman napapabayaan, okay? Napoprovide mo yung kailangan. Yeah. Okay, so someone is proposing or wants a commitment with you and to get married, okay? He or she is a serious person. Kailangan ng direksyon sa buhay mo. Change will happen in your life, Aries. Congratulations. It's like natapos mo na yung singlehood or yung phase ng buhay mo at ngayon sarili mo naman yung iisipin mo. Okay? Yeah, happiness, awards, celebration. Okay? Nagkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan and enlightenment sa buhay mo. Maybe a baby is coming up. For some of you, gusto na magkaroon ng sariling anak. Okay. Indecisiveness is still there. For some, yes, super busy, madaming responsibilidad, hindi lang sa sarili, kundi sa family din. Okay. Do not deprive yourself, Aries, from happiness. Okay. So, maganda yung mga mangyayari sa inyo, Aries, okay? Believe in yourself. Don't be afraid, okay? It's time to give time para sa sarili mo. Bigyan mo ng pansin yung sarili mong pangangailangan, okay? Let's see kung ano pa yung mga messages for you. Let's get 3 cards from number card. Seven, 7. If you are seeing this number or a repeating number, 777, your purpose flows from within you and everything that is unfolding or being revealed to you is part of your purpose, a state of peace and calmness in your soul. I am in the flow. Okay. Number 2, if you keep on seeing number 2, you have great talent for finding solutions. Your intuitive and unbiased nature allow you to see all sides of any situation and advise others towards the most fair and beneficial outcome. I am diplomatic. Okay. One more. 27. If you're seeing this number, 27, the angel is saying, your mind is wide open and you are tolerant and compassionate toward all ways of life. You value freedom of expression and want to improve the conditions of people, whether in your community, country, or the world at large. I am expressive. Okay, so meron din tayo dito kanina, expression, open up your heart and connect with others. Aries, you have the power, the capability, the ability to make some changes in your life. Okay, so that's it. This is the message for you, Aries. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.